I'm Chris Colgrave and this is Chris Colgrave Automotive. We're based in Invermay in Launceston. We've had this business for 27 years. I'd spent 20 years in a dealership, started off just as a mechanic and then went on to being the service manager for a few years. Early 40s, I just got into a bit of a rut and decided I'd just go do my own thing. Now we employ 6 people, 4 mechanics, 2 in the office, and I just float about now. Because I'm a bit old school, I just believe that customer service is priority. Like if you've got happy customers, you've got a good business. I've got really excellent staff. The guys in the office are fantastic with the customers. They know all our customers, or most of our customers by name. I've got really good staff in the workshop. So when I was 13, I started working at the service station next door to my house. He used to sell Castrol oil. 2 Castrol oils that we used to sell was Castrol XL and Castrol Light. I remember that as plain as day. My job was to fill up the oil bottles. We used to sell it in pints and quarts back in them days. Then we started using Castrol oil to dealership, and so when I left the dealership and started up our own business, I decided Castrol oil was a good brand. I didn't have to worry about the quality. I started using Castrol 27 years ago and we've never changed. It'd be tough now to start up a new business, but if I could give them any advice, use good quality products, give good old-fashioned customer service, and don't spend every dollar that comes through the door.